Okay, so today we're going to make some chicken cutlets. So I'm getting some saran wrap so I can just beat them nice and thin. And I'm using chicken breasts, and these really are nice and thin. But I'm going to beat them out just a little bit more. And if you have thick chicken breasts, you can just take a sharp knife and you can just cut them nice and thin. And make sure they're like halfway frozen. Then you can cut them a lot easier. So I'm just going to get these all nice and thin. See, like that's nice and thin. And I cut mine in half because they were so big. So I'm going to take 2 eggs and beat them in a bowl. And in another bowl, we're going to put some breadcrumbs. And I'm going to add a little bit, like a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Some all-purpose seasoning. And some chopped chives. Get this all mixed. We're going to take our chicken and we're going to dip it in the egg. Then we're going to do the breadcrumb mixture. So in my pan, I'm going to put some butter, some oil, and I have this on the medium. And then we're just going to put them in and fry them. It's going to be so delicious. And I'm just getting a plate and a paper towel on it, so when they're done I can lay it on that for the grease. So here are some delicious chicken cutlets. I hope that you will make them. They are so delicious. We'll see you next time.